In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any MP3 file to .ai file using Mac computer and FFmpeg. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open terminal. We have to click this spotlight search, and then here we have to type terminal. We'll see terminal application is there. Just double click over there, and very shortly terminal window will be opened. Now I'm going to increase the font size of terminal so that we can read it properly. Now we have to figure out where is the MP3 file. So right now it is located downloads folder. We can easily get the full path by right click, and then we can choose get info, and over here we'll find the full path of this MP3 file. Right now it is located Macintosh HD, then users FewSteps download. So this is the location and this is the file name. And once we find that, then we need to type on command here. So I'm going to type that command here. So this is the command we need to type. We have to type FFmpeg, then -i, then space, and then we have to tell where is the location. So it is located users FewSteps downloads. So here we see users FewSteps downloads. This is the folder and this is the file name from here till this part, and I'm going to save it the same location. That's why I put the same path, users FewSteps downloads, and the file name .aif. So once we type this whole command, then we have to hit the return key, and very shortly we'll see this file, this MP3 file will be converted to .aif, and it will be saved on that same location. So I'm going to close this window, and here I see it's completed successfully. And now I'm going to open the downloads folder, and here I see this is the file .aif, and that's it. In this way, we can easily convert any MP3 file to .ai file format.